Don't shout.
I saw him. And what did he want?
He said DAUDA came to the village this morning, but that he's sick and he wants to see me.
And you want to go and see him?
Why not?
Because it is not done. Only a few days from now, DAUDA's people will come to pay your bride price. How would it feel if people see you still playing love with another man?
Look, I am not going to play love with DAUDA. He's sick and I am going to greet him. Everyone in the village knows we all play together as children. Though he was older than us, we played together before his parents took him to the city.
You are right at that point. Besides, Ode Jimmy is still coming to pay your bride price. He has not paid it yet.
Oh, so what can he say, even if he sees me today sitting on another man's thighs?
You are at it again. Only God knows what we see to talk and laugh about all day.
Yeah, nothing. Nothing here.
Nothing indeed. And where are the other girls? Lakpe, Ajitoni and Ayoka. I've not seen them here today. I hope they are well.
They are well, ma. Lakpe went with her mother to Aku village, and Ajitoni and Ayoka are helping their parents at the cassava farm today. That is good.
And now, both of you stop talking and take the dye to Yaela Binjo. She's waiting.
Be careful, my dear. I hope you are not injured. Oh, sorry.
I'm getting worried. This is the second time I hit my left toes against something today.
Don't worry. Nothing will go wrong.
I have been having terrible dreams in the last 3 days. Last night, I saw myself wearing new fine clothes, but people are only laughing at me and abusing me.
That is the way with dreams, don't you know? Things are turned around in dreams. Those that you saw laughing at you will actually be the ones dancing with you 1 week from now, when you sit down like a queen to receive your bride price.
I hope so.
I'm telling you, it is so. Don't trouble yourself.
Thank you.
Your bathing water is ready. Oh, it's actually hotter than that. And I've asked 7 men to come from the village to get the bathroom in case they want to run out. Don't mind her. As if you were doing when you and Alaba were making the baby. For me while she goes to take her bath. Don't get me wrong, Lakwe. I have nothing against Lapade. All I'm saying is this. I hope you have looked at all the sides that this thing can lead to. And I want you to think of two things before you let Lapade go any further with you. Are you listening to me, Lakwe?
I'm listening, Yami.
Good. First thing is this. If you start playing love with Lapade now, people will say he came to you because he could not get Awero. Are you ready to be looked at as second best? 2. People, especially your father's relations, will think I brought you as a gift to Lapade only because it's from my own village here. And for that, your father may not agree for you to marry Lapade, even if you love him and he loves you too. These are the two things I want you to think about. That is all I have to say. Now you can go and play at the village square if you want. Olodumare will guide your thoughts.
Thank you, Yami.
Don't be afraid now, let's go.
I am not afraid. I just think we're going too far from the village square.
Look, it's no longer far away. We're almost there. Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you.
Why are you thanking me, Awero? You know me now. I always like to keep my promises.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just admiring your beautiful.
Just watch yourself.
Yeah, it's okay.
I like this powder.
That is Saturday morning powder for beautiful girls like you. Awero, really, you are the most beautiful girl in all the villages of Elerin. And that is why I like holding you close and all the time want to kiss you like this.
Now don't leave me alone. I've told you I don't like this type of play.
What is wrong with kissing? Listen, you see, they do it in all those American movies. And city girls, that is the way they say thank you. Just...
No, wait. I think we're going too far from the... Let me go. Let's go back.
I will go.
Wait. Leave me alone,
Don't you trust me? I won't hurt you. I will wait.
No, Dauda, please. Wait. Please, Dauda. Dauda, please.
Are you leaving?
Yes, but listen. Is anything wrong with Awero?
Awero? Is she awake?
Yes, she's awake. She's sweeping in the front there. Did you scold her last night or early this morning?
No, nothing at all. She said she was not well yesterday, and I told you that. That was the reason she did not come to the farm. her time of the month, she said, and giving her bad stomach pains. I gave her some herbs in the evening, and she told me that she was better before we slept.
She doesn't look good this morning. So you go and take care of that. And if she can walk, bring her to the farm. I need both of you later in the afternoon to weed the cassava farm.
Do you want us to bring food to the farm?
No, just bring some gari and anything to drink it with. We will come back early to eat well at night.
It is well. It is well. Awero. Is anything wrong?
Nothing, Yami.
Now. Tell me, look at my face, Awero. You have been crying.
Well, I'm not been crying.
Come. Awero, what is it?
It's this pain. My stomach pains.
Stomach pains only, making you cry like this?
It's never been this bad.
It's all right. You are a grown woman now. And it happens like that sometimes. And don't we all know what my daughter is thinking of now? All right, you go and lie down inside the house. You hear? I will go inside the bush around here and pick some stronger herbs. You can stay away from the farm again today. I will tell your father. Don't stay in throughout the day, you hear? It is good if you move around. It is well.
Thank you, Yami.
I'm on my way.
Thank you, Yami.
Who is it, Eledumare? Who have I offended so much in this village? So much that their only revenge is to take Awero from
Arike.
on her wedding.
Arike. You annoy me sometimes with this your childish talk. What is this about you offending anyone? Awero said she made a mistake and fell into the water.
And so, there is no other place, no other section of the river to fall into except into the mouth of crocodiles.
So, do you think somebody pushed her into the water? Or they sent her there with charms? Think about it very well, Arike. Awero will be the third daughter we will marry off from this house. If nobody harmed Adedara and Nomalara when they got married, why should anyone want to harm Awero now?
Jealousy. Maybe they are jealous because we can marry off our own daughters so easily. Do you know of how many families in this village who cannot even marry off one daughter? Simply because there is no money or simply because they have some shameful secret in their family.
You must watch what you say, Arike. But at least, don't say these things in the presence of Awero. You must make sure that she's well and happy to meet other Jimmy's people.
So now, they will begin to say that the accident was a sign. That Awero is bad luck for any man.
That is the reason why you and I must go to the village in the morning and tell everybody to keep their mouth like this. Other Jimmy and his people must not hear about this when they bring the bride price next week.
It is well. I will tell the women, and through them the children will keep their mouths shut.
Good. You leave the men to me then. Now, go and see if Awero is sleeping or if she wants anything.
Stop crying now. Listen, Awero, it's not safe to cry here. The Shango's shrine is not far away from this place. Stop crying.
What have you done to me, DAUDA? I trusted you. How could you destroy me like this?
I can explain.
Explain?
Look, Awero, look at all the things I bought for you. I'm very serious about you.
Serious about me? And you did this to me?
Hey, Awero!
Awero! Awero!
No one knows what the truth is. Maybe it was one of the government soldiers who passed through Aku and Ewetutu. Or maybe it was a careless hunter from another village around Eleri here. Whatever it is, Lapade is really lucky to be alive.
Yes, it's true. Listen, Peju, there is something I've wanted to ask you about.
What?
That woman who died at Atu Stream, the one your mother told you about.
Her name was Sebulomo. After she died, her husband people moved away from the village out of shame, far away from Eleri. And that is why people have stopped talking about it.
Yes, but our lover, the husband's younger brother, what happened to him? She died. What did they do to him?
Well, my mother told me he ran away from the village. But even if he didn't run away, what could they do to him? He was a man. What could anyone do to him? You know the way these men protect themselves? They would have asked him to pay some little fine to the ballet and make some sacrifice to the gods. That's all.
And the woman, Ebulomo, what if she had not killed herself?
She would have suffered the shame forever. The whole village would not stop abusing and pointing secret fingers at her. They would even say all her children were bastards. And she would not have a single friend again. Not here in Orita village and in all other villages.
Really?
Awero, it is the woman that suffered the shame and the pain when a bad thing like this happens. Don't you know?
But what if, before killing herself, what if Ebulomo had killed her lover first? That will have been the end of the matter.
End of the matter. Forever.